let's go to blockchain and aviation, all right? About 3 months ago, I embarked on this journey, and I said, I want to do something to help people understand blockchain and aviation. So I committed to doing an 8-week series. You know, I do a lot of things on social media. I've actually done about 1,000 live broadcasts with different companies. I bring companies in, I interview them, I learn about what they're doing, and I incorporate that really into my knowledge bank of information. And I said, I'm going to do a series on blockchain and aviation. I'm going to see how it goes, right? And I contacted a bunch of different companies. I contacted about 50 or 60 different companies, and I found 24 different sessions I was going to do where we were going to focus on blockchain and aviation, right? And so that's really that's where it started 3 months ago. And I ran this 24-episode live broadcast over 8 weeks. And if you think it's hard to pull together, you know, one live broadcast, try to pull together and coordinate 24 of them over 8 weeks in 2 months. It's really difficult because the schedules are moving and, you know, it takes a lot of time.